Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's sure to help you achieve your hair growth goals, the morning routine for hair growth. We'll explore the essential steps to kickstart your day and set the stage for healthier, longer locks. So, if you're eager to unlock your hair's potential, stay tuned. Gentle cleansing. Let's begin with the first step in your morning routine, gentle cleansing. It's crucial to use a sulfate-free, nourishing shampoo that cleanses your scalp without stripping away its natural oils. This helps maintain a healthy scalp environment, which is essential for promoting hair growth. Scalp massage. Following your shampoo, indulge in a relaxing scalp massage. Use your fingertips to gently massage your scalp in circular motions for a few minutes. This stimulates blood flow to the hair follicles, ensuring they receive the nutrients they need for optimal growth. Conditioner and detangling. After rinsing your shampoo, apply a conditioner from mid-length to the tips of your hair. This step helps in detangling and preventing breakage. Be sure to use a wide-toothed comb to gently detangle your hair, starting from the tips and working your way up. Hydration and protection. To keep your hair hydrated throughout the day, apply a leave-in conditioner or hair oil. This not only nourishes your hair but also provides protection from environmental factors like UV rays and pollution, which can damage your locks and hinder growth. Hairstyling considerations. When styling your hair, opt for hair-friendly accessories like scrunchies or silk hair ties. Avoid tight hairstyles that can cause tension on the hair shaft and scalp, potentially leading to breakage. Healthy diet and hydration. Remember, a nutritious diet plays a significant role in hair growth. Ensure you're eating foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and proteins that support healthy hair growth. Don't forget to stay hydrated throughout the day to maintain hair moisture from the inside out. In conclusion, your morning routine can be a game changer when it comes to promoting hair growth. From gentle cleansing to scalp massages and protecting your locks, these steps will set the stage for healthier, longer hair. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more hair care tips and tricks.